If Firefox desktop notifications are getting annoying on Windows 11, this video will show you exactly how to stop them in just a few minutes. Whether you want to block new notification requests completely or remove websites that already have permission, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows and browser tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 11 computer. You can launch it from the Start menu, the taskbar, or your desktop shortcut. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-line menu icon. This is the main menu where you can access Firefox settings and privacy options. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page in a new tab. Now, on the left side of the settings page, look for the Permissions section and click it. The Permissions area controls things like camera access, location access, and notification permissions, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. Once you're in Permissions, scroll until you find the Notifications section. Here, you'll see the option that controls how websites request permission to send you desktop notifications. Click the Notifications button, or the button that opens the Notification Permissions window. This is where Firefox keeps a list of websites that are allowed to send alerts to your desktop. Now here's the most important part if you want to stop future pop-ups. In the Notification Permissions window, check the box labeled Block New Requests asking to allow notifications. This tells Firefox not to let websites keep asking you for notification access every time you visit them. It's a great way to reduce distractions and keep your browser experience clean and quiet. If you've already allowed some websites to send notifications, you can stop those too. In the same window, look through the list of websites that currently have permission. Select any website you no longer want receiving access, then click Remove Website. If you want to clear everything at once, you can click Remove All Websites to revoke notification permissions for every site in the list. This is especially useful if you want a fresh start and don't want any site sending alerts to your desktop anymore. After that, make sure to click Save Changes. This step is important because it applies your updated notification settings right away. Once you save, Firefox will stop showing new notification requests and any permissions you removed will no longer apply. At this point, your Firefox desktop notifications should be under control on Windows 11. If you ever want to allow notifications again later, you can come back to the same permissions menu and change these settings anytime. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows tutorials, browser fixes, and helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.